Hello viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamonds. Today in this video we are going to see important scholarship announced by Piaggio, the three-wheeler manufacturer company in India. This Piaggio is giving a scholarship on the name Piaggio Shiksha Se Samruddhi scholarship for the class ITI, Polytechnic and Diploma courses after the 10th or after the 12th standard. Those who pass the 10th standard or 12th standard and got admission in ITI and Polytechnic or Diploma courses in a recognized institute, for them this is the scholarship is been given by Piaggio. I am Dr. Rajit Hundekar, Associate Professor and Head Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India. Let's start. Is in this scholarship what we have? Very important one, deadline. That is what is the deadline is there? 31st March 2021. So here the Piaggio is a three-wheeler manufacturing company in India. He is giving a scholarship to support the children and the wards of drivers और ओनर्स ऑफ थ्री व्हीलर्स कम्युनिटी. सो यहाँ पर ये स्कॉलरशिप दी जा रही है थ्री व्हीलर रिक्शा के ड्राइवर्स के लिए या रिक्शा ओनर्स के लिए. शिक्षा से समृद्धि, दिस इज द स्कॉलरशिप फॉर ITI, पॉलिटेक्निक एंड डिप्लोमा. यहाँ पर आफ्टर 10th or after 12th you are going for ITI, Polytechnic or Diploma, you are going to get a scholarship up to 80% of the total fee reimbursement or maximum up to 20,000 per year. 1 year course or 3 years course is there in the Diploma or Polytechnic or ITI. You are going to get every year maximum 20,000. After there are another scholarships are there for 11 and 12. I have made a separate video. Then ITI, Polytechnic, Diploma, we are doing this video. And undergraduate, I made a separate video. So I don't want to make at a point. So we have made the 3 videos separately. So introduction same, that Piaggio vehicle is 100% owned subsidiary of Piaggio Group, Italy. And it is manufacturing 3-wheelers in diesel, petrol, CNG and PHG fuel variants and now enter into the electrical vehicle market. They have 2.9 million satisfied customers in India and they are exporting more than 50 countries all in the world. And they are giving the scholarship as a part of CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative of this company as per the central government. Now the eligibility criteria, the open for children and wards of drivers and owners of three-wheelers. Scholarship is giving only for drivers or owners of three-wheeler community only. The student must have passed 10th standard with at least 55% marks or 12th standard with a 55% marks and has entered into ITI, Polytechnic or a diploma at a recognized institute. And the income of the family should be less than 3 lakh rupees. Benefit maximum 20,000 per year till the course complete or up to 80% of the total fee reimbursement. Now the documents which will require for the scholarship, which you have to make the high resolution copies, scan copies, and you have to upload on the online passport size photograph of the applicant, Aadhaar card, class 10 mark sheets or 12 mark sheet, then the fee receipt of the Polytechnic, Diploma, ITI, wherever you have taken the admission, then vehicle RC, the three-wheeler, that is you have been owning the three-wheelers, then you have to give the RC book. If your commercial driver is there, then commercial driving license is required. Family income proof in the form of Form 16, income certificate, salary slip or ITR, etc. Now how to apply? You have to go to the scholarship portals. Now here I given a scholarship portal, Buddy for Study. On that portal, go and make the register with your email IDs or mobile, Facebook or Gmail and redirect yourself from there. for this scholarship, that is Piaggio Shiksha Se Samruddhi scholarship, and fill all the details, upload all the scholarship before 31st March 2021. I request all the viewers, subscribers, as well as the NGOs, kindly pass on this particular scholarship to these particular drivers or owners of rickshaws. Their children are educating now, they require a support, and now this is the best scholarship has been sponsored by the Piaggio company. I hope this is clear. Message is loud and clear. I wanted to spread awareness, so I am making maximum videos at a time so that it can go up to a maximum student. Now the deadline is very close. Most of the scholarship I am going to lose now because they have been now closing before the 31st March. I don't have the time that I can go on preparing one video. It will take a time. So keeping in my constraint, I am trying my level best to try to create awareness among the community of these three-wheelers now, particularly in the scholarship, the Piaggio one. So whichever the applicants are there, as early as possible, fill these scholarship and complete your form. Thank you. Have a nice day.